Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will solve our next Python problem, which is about to count the number of vowels in a given character string, right? So let's solve this problem. First we need a string in which we will check how many vowels it have, right? Enter a string. And next we need the vowels list. We will compare this list with the string if there is any vowels in the string, so we need to increment the count. So we need two variables. First one is the vowels, which has the list of vowels, and second we have the count variable, which will increment when we found any kind of vowel in that string. So next we have vowels equal to, which is a list, and we have the elements here. Also capital ones. So sorry, let's type it. First A, E, I, O and U. Next we have capital A, capital E, A, E, I, O, and then we have capital U as well. So we have the list of vowels which contains capitals and the small ones. Next we need a counter variable here, which we will initialize this to 0. Next we will use a loop which will check each character of that particular string. So we need for loop for I in string. This loop will loop through this string, each character of this string. And next we have if condition, if I in vowels, right? So if we will loop through this particular string, and if we found any kind of vowels here, then we will count the variable. Sorry, then we will increment the count variable, right? So let's see if our code works. Print count. Okay, so enter a string. We'll add Pakistan. We have 3 vowels here in that string. Next we need to enter another to check its functionality. Yes, we have 3 vowels here, so our code works. See you in the next video. I hope you understand.